Mom,
Mm?
what's the real meaning of Good Friday?
Good Friday is the day that Christ was crucified, Kamisha.
So why is it called good if that was the day he was crucified?
That's the day he made the big sacrifice for all of our sins.
So was it good for us and bad for him?
I wouldn't say it's bad. That's his choice. He decided to make that choice for us.
I am a little confused.
And that's why, Kamisha, you're to read the Bible to get your understanding.
Okay, but if I don't understand, how am I going to get the understanding?
Numbers. Wagwan. You now come get something to eat, brother.
For good enough, Trevor.
What you mean good? A couple of days now, I don't see you consume nothing, you know. How you there, pan? Fasting?
Well, you can call it that.
Oh, brother. You don't know fat to live off of.
Trevor, fat no good for you, none at all, you know. Not even for live off, bro.
In a real life, though. What really bother you?
Bother me? Nothing not bother me.
What you mean nothing nah bother you? Eh? From where there you now move like yourself, you know.
A meditation mode, me, you know, man.
Meditation mode. Tell you something. You're a big man, you know. And you say right now, it's when certain things are bother you, you need to talk about it. You can talk to my brother.
Where the wife there?
She inside of the house.
She don't really want me, not true.
What make you say that?
I'm here, just look a squab over there.
You hear that?
I don't only hear it. I see her body language when she walk around there, so when I clean the pool.
Yo, you know how women stay a while. Them just love overreact, you know?
But at the same time, I don't want to make her uncomfortable, you know? So I plan for them, I go circle back up at my scamming place and find out if the room's still available, you know?
Brother, you don't have to do that, brother. Hear what? I done reason with her already. Everything good.
I don't want to cause a problem in a Trevor.
Trust me, you're not cause no problem. Don't talk to her about the situation. Everything good. You're good, man.
All right. We'll take your word for it. You're the man of the house.
Mr. Sullivan.
Yes, babe?
Yeah, who?
Miss Campbell.
Here's a cup of tea, sir.
All right. I go.
You really hungry, brother.
Mr. Lindo, would you like a cup of tea as well?
Yeah, ginger if you have it.
Then I hear from a come no babes when guests they here.
So what wrong with that?
We now run a motel. I run a them other shop there. We are run a respectable bed and breakfast.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
You see you around.
It's a good man you have in a Trevor.
Believe me, no, brother. I know, you know.
So when you gonna make it official?
You know, the hurricane mash up everything. All of the planning.
Cha. So Melissa mash up your whole life.
Don't call it that.
It's a good thing of the hurricane, because if it was a real Melissa, I know your life would have mashed up. Are you?
You know, say, the girl have to deal with the cake. From down and west she come from.
Oh, brother, enough people do wedding cake, man. I want somebody I depend on to do the cake.
I know me, no brother. Camille, I deal with that part of the thing there. Yeah, she don't want nobody else to about her cake. And it look like some like a sabotage thing in that one. So she'd have to,
Sabotage.
yeah.
So somebody a sabotage your wedding?
So it would look as one of the time it's like everybody will have to do something, just a drop out, a drop out, a drop out. It's like my money not good enough. Nobody no want to take it work.
You're frightened because when you hear I say drop out, me think I drop them, I drop flesh. But that really kind of sound away for true.
Yeah, so I just decide say I gotta just wheel and come again, you know? You see me?
So the girl down the west, she good again?
Yeah man. Things good, but it not 100, but it better. Yeah.
But that stretched out too long, you know, because you know how man stay. And you know how she pray you.
That's true. Well, one thing I can tell you, if she a pray me, I gonna know. Cause a girl like this no hold on nothing. Come like a old fridge.
True man, she outspoken for real. Realize that with her.
I'm if I tell you. So tell me, how the business are going in at all?
The mangle, the cangle, you know. One thing, Trevor. You have some efficient workers. That me rate.
That sound good.
One thing me realize, Trevor, you see, once you have a system in place, everything runs smoother. And that me put in place down there, so. Proper system.
Yeah, I prove that, you know. Cause you say Camille set up a system where flawless. Yeah.
I'm not telling you a lie, I notice it. And one thing I can tell you, I'm rate with you, you always develop the place. Every time you forward there, so you see something new.
Yeah man. Always I develop, you know. Yeah, man.
She's right, man.
You know, sir. Start from a piece of land up the road.
For real? Different from this?
What you mean?
Trevor, you hide the thing then. Away you farm on the land. Vegetable matter. I know you're no bugs here.
No man, nothing like that, man. That's some ground provision. I may have somebody I run it off. You see, so I may not say nothing to you about it.
Alright, if you say so, I believe you, man. Just go and do the right thing, brother. But between me and you, make sure say you solid up yourself with that business here, you know. You know what I talk about.
Yeah, man. Worry yourself, man. I got to deal with it.
Yeah, because you don't want to spend a whole heap of money on the place here, and before you know it, a man come back and claim it.
For real. I understand what you say. But here, Carlton did give me the place. But word of mouth. Word of mouth can't go out. So I got to deal with it.
I'm glad you overs that, Trevor, because let me tell you something. Man to man is so unjust, you know, you don't know who to trust. Them always say, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. Make sure you do the right thing, brother. Take it from me.
As you talk about it, you got to get to it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.